Hello everyone, Nimisha here from English Firm. Today I'm here with a very short video to discuss about a very common question among students. Is there negative marking in PTE? Yes, there is negative marking in PTE in three of the items, which are multiple choice, multiple answer in your listening module, multiple choice, multiple answer in your reading module, and your highlight incorrect words also in your listening module. So I'll be giving you just a short idea of how the negative marking works. I'm not going to discuss these items in detail today because we have already made videos of the detailed explanation of all these items. So make sure you watch them if you haven't, and then you can watch this video. Okay, so let's start with it. So here, these are the three items with negative marking in PTE. So the first one is your reading, multiple choice question, multiple answer. Second is your listening, multiple choice question, multiple answer. Both are very similar question types. Listening, highlight, incorrect words. So there are we have a total of 20 items in PTE. Out of the 20, only these three items have negative marking. Now, just a quick overview. In reading multiple choice question, multiple answer, you will have a passage given to you. There will be a question related to the passage with 4 to 5 options. You should be choosing every correct option. There will be 2 or more correct options in this particular question. So you can choose 2, 3, 4, or 5 in reading multiple choice question, multiple answer, passage, question, options. You can choose more than one. Listening multiple choice question, multiple answer. You will be listening to an audio. There will be a question related to the audio with 4 to 5 options. Here also, you can choose 2 or more correct options. There will be more than one correct option here. Same as you're reading multiple choice. So 2, 3, 4, or 5, it could be any more than one correct answer. Now, listening highlight incorrect words. Listening highlight incorrect words is a task where you will be listening to an audio. The exact same transcript of the audio will be given on the screen, but in the transcript, some of the words will be mismatching to the audio. It may not be matching to the same word that they say in the audio. For example, in the audio, they might say accept, and in the passage, it will be written accept. So you need to click on the words. You need to just click and highlight the words which are not matching to the audio by reading the transcript along with the speaker. Again, detailed videos of all these items have already been uploaded in our YouTube channel. You can search for the PT tutorials playlist. You can watch them there. Okay, today I'm only discussing about the negative marking. So these are the only three items with negative marking in PTE. Now, how the negative marking works. Each of these items, you will be getting minimum 2 questions, maximum 3 questions. So 2 or 3 multiple choice, multiple answer in listening, 2 or 3 multiple choice, multiple answer in reading, 2 or 3 highlighting correct words. Now, in your multiple choice questions, scoring is exactly the same for both listening and reading. So you can consider the same for both. For both multiple choice questions in reading and listening, you will be getting 1 point for each correct option chosen. So what you're doing is you're clicking every option that is correct. So for each option, each correct option, you will be getting 1 point. And if you choose a wrong option, then you get -1. So correct option 1 point, wrong option -1. Highlight incorrect words. You are highlighting the words which are mismatching to the audio. So if in case you highlighted a word which is actually matching to the audio, you highlighted an extra word which is not mismatching, then you would be getting -1. So 1 point for each correctly highlighted word, -1 point for each extra word highlighted, which is actually matching to the audio. But in both the cases, in both multiple choice questions as well as highlight incorrect words, your minimum score is 0. That means even though you have negative marking in PTE, you cannot get negative marking. Your negative marking is not going to affect another question. The minimum score that you can get in any item of PTE is 0. That means in your multiple choice questions, multiple answer, let's say you chose 1 correct option and 1 wrong option. Then you would be ending up with +1, -1, you will end up with 0. And let's say if you choose 2 correct options and 1 wrong option, then you get +2, -1, you get 1 point. On the other hand, if you chose 2 wrong options and only 1 correct option, in that case, you should be getting -2 +1, which is equivalent to -1, but you will not be getting -1 there. You will be getting only 0. since the minimum score in any item of PT is 0. So let's say you chose 3 options, all the 3 are wrong. You will not get -3, you will just get 0 there. Which is why in both your listening and reading multiple choice, multiple answer questions, it is always safe to choose only the options that you're 100% sure. Preferably just choose only one option, because even if you chose only one, and if that one is correct, you will get 1 point. If the one that you chose is wrong, you will get 0, which is the reason why even if you do not know the answer to the question, it is better not to leave it unattempted. Give a guess. If your guess is correct, you will get 1 point. If your guess is wrong, you will get 0. So in your multiple choice question, multiple answer, since there is negative marking, do not lose the point which you already have in that particular question itself. If you chose one correct and then one wrong, you'll end up with 0. So choose only the one that you're 100% sure. And if you see an option which you're like, maybe this could be correct, it's better not to mark it. It will negate the point that you already have. And also remember, this negative marking is not going to affect another question, because the minimum is 0. Even if you chose everything wrong, you will just get 0 for that one question. Now, for your highlight incorrect words, negative marking is if you click on an extra word, which is why when you listen to the audio, read through the words very carefully and click only the ones which you're 100% sure is mismatching to the audio. If you're doubtful, better not to mark it, because that gives you negative marking. Here also, minimum score is 0. That means, let's say you chose 4, you've highlighted 4 of them correctly, and you highlighted 5 of them extra, 5 of them wrong. You will not get -1, you will still get 0. That's why choose only ones which you're 100% sure, wherever you have negative marking. So these are the only 3 items with negative marking in PTE: multiple choice question, multiple answer in reading, multiple choice question, multiple answer in listening, and highlight incorrect words. But still, negative marking is not carried over to another question. Minimum score in each of them is 0. All right. So that's pretty much it regarding your negative marking in PTE. So hope all of you are practicing well. If you have any doubts or questions, if you need one-to-one feedback or classes or corrections, anything that you need help with PTE, make sure to contact us on 0432-269-874. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because there'll be plenty of videos coming up every week. And if you have not watched the other videos with detailed explanation of every item of PT, make sure to watch them as well. It'll be really helpful for you for sure. All right, guys, I'll see you soon in the next week. Happy preparation.